Being a victim of sextortion can feel like your world has been turned upside down, your privacy violated, your confidence shaken, and your online presence tied to something painful and embarrassing. If you're asking, how do I rebuild my online presence after sextortion? You're not alone. Many survivors of online blackmail find themselves wrestling with fear, shame, and uncertainty about how to move forward. Research shows that sextortion can have lasting psychological effects and damage personal and professional reputation if left unmanaged. The good news is that there are steps you can take to avoid this outcome. This Fresh Start guide will walk you through how to rebuild after sextortion, recover your digital identity, and repair your online reputation in thoughtful, practical steps so you can reclaim control of your life. Understanding sextortion: how attackers gain leverage. Sextortion typically begins when an attacker gains compromising content through deception, hacked accounts, or coerced sharing. Once they have the material, they threaten to distribute it unless you comply with their demands. This invasion often leaves victims hesitant to use digital platforms, fearful of further exposure, and unsure of how to safely interact online again. Beyond the initial extortion, many victims worry that their hacked accounts, leaked information, or public whispers will linger and shape their digital footprint, which is why digital identity recovery is essential. Where sextortion begins: vulnerabilities to watch. Understanding how sextortion perpetrators first breached your digital space can help you prevent future issues. Compromised social media accounts. Attackers may gain access through weak passwords or reused credentials. Phishing links or fake apps. Clicking on malicious links can hand over login details to scammers. Insecure messaging platforms. Using apps without proper encryption or recovery protections makes you easier to exploit. Shared contacts or mutual friends. Some attackers use information from your connections to build trust before exploitation. Public exposure tactics. Attackers sometimes threaten to post content on forums, group chats, or community pages to increase pressure. The long-term impact on digital reputation and trust. Sextortion doesn't just threaten immediate emotional harm. It can also leave a lasting mark on your online reputation. Survivors often withdraw from platforms, avoid networking opportunities, and feel watched or vulnerable. According to cyber safety resources, sextortion cases are rising globally, and many victims report long-term anxiety and distrust in digital spaces. When an attacker has accessed or exposed personal accounts, your digital presence can show remnants of that breach: old posts, hacked messages, or unauthorized interactions, all of which can affect your personal and professional image if left unresolved. Step-by-step guide to rebuilding your digital identity. Rebuilding your online identity is both technical and emotional work. These steps are designed to help you make a fresh start while strengthening your digital defenses. Take care of your mental state first. Acknowledge that recovery is a process. Seek support from trusted friends or professionals if you feel overwhelmed. Document the sextortion incident. Save messages, dates, and screenshots before you make any changes. This is essential if you choose to report the crime or defend your reputation later. Report the crime to the authorities. File a report with the online platform, as well as your local and national law enforcement cybercrime units. Even if the attacker is overseas, documentation and official reporting help build a case over time. Secure your primary email accounts. Change passwords to strong, unique phrases. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app rather than SMS where possible. Audit all connected accounts. Review your social media profiles, financial sites, cloud services, and any platforms using the same login credentials. Update contact details and recovery options to accounts you control. Clean up your digital footprint. Remove outdated or sensitive content from social platforms. Delete accounts you no longer use. Use privacy settings to restrict who can view your profiles and past posts. Repair your online reputation. If unwanted posts or mentions exist on public forums, contact site administrators to request removal or correction. Many platforms have processes for removing content tied to abuse or exploitation. Reintroduce yourself slowly and safely. When you resume posting or engaging online, consider posting with updated privacy settings and share only what you're comfortable with. Treat your digital presence as a new chapter and set boundaries for what you share. Learn stronger digital hygiene habits. Use a password manager. Enable advanced security options on platforms And be cautious about clicking unknown links or accepting contact requests from strangers. Reach out to expert support for tailored help with digital identity recovery and navigating post-sextortion challenges. Professional assistance can make a big difference. These specialists can help you evaluate risks, secure accounts, and rebuild your online presence with confidence. From vulnerability to control, your fresh start online. Healing your digital identity after sextortion is not something you have to face alone. It's a structured process that blends security, self-care, and intentional rebuilding. By securing your accounts, cleaning up your online presence, repairing reputation concerns, and leaning on expert resources, you can move from a place of vulnerability to one of strength and control. Rebuild after sextortion thoughtfully, one step at a time, and remember that your past does not define your future online. With the right steps and support, your Fresh Start Guide becomes a reality, not just a goal. You can find the expert assistance you need right here at Blackmail.HelpLine. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com to reclaim control over your online reputation.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.